In the vibrant streets of Kingston, Jamaica, Stephen Cooper, a 27-year-old magician, was known not just for his mesmerizing card tricks, but for his curiosity about the universe's secrets. By day, he performed on street corners, but by night, he tinkered with strange devices he'd cobbled together from old electronics and mysterious artifacts he found in the market. One evening, while experimenting in his small apartment, Stephen discovered a strange glowing stone embedded in an ancient Jamaican artifact. When he held it, a shimmering portal flickered into existence in his living room. Heart pounding, Stephen stepped through the swirling light, finding himself in a futuristic city, skyscrapers shimmering with neon, flying cars zipping past. A voice boomed from a nearby hologram. "Welcome, Stephen. You've unlocked the quantum trick, a gateway to alternate realities." It was an AI from a distant planet, designed to test human curiosity and ingenuity. The AI explained that the stone was a quantum anchor, capable of bending space-time. Stephen realized he could use it to perform real magic, manipulating reality itself. But with great power came great responsibility. If he altered too much, the fabric of his world could unravel. Determined to protect his home, Stephen used the stone to bring a fallen flower back to life, a simple yet profound act. The AI commended him, and with a flash, the city flickered back out of his sight, returning him to Kingston. The glowing stone was gone, but the experience left him with a new understanding. True magic was the harmony between wonder and wisdom. From that day, Stephen Cooper didn't just entertain, he became a guardian of secrets, using his newfound knowledge to inspire hope and curiosity in his community, bridging the mystical and the scientific in perfect harmony.